greetings and thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Modi ji, who has initiated, motivated the world for the introduction of yoga throughout the world. And the state government, central government is also encouraging yoga. So my thanks to them as a yoga master, yoga sir. What Sri Aurobindo says, all life is yoga, which is my sadhana for 40 years. All life is secret yoga. Down to what matters in our practical life. Behind every exoteric religion, there is an esoteric yoga. What it matters practically. As a core yoga master, I demand certain things. Number one, basically as I said, Corona, prevention yoga. Three things are very important. Number one, immunization. Number two, sanitization. Number three, harmonization. Immunization, immune oneself, resistance capacity. Sanitization, the language of Modi ji, Swachh Bharat, Swachhata. And third one, harmonization. So when you immunize yourself, you can also do sanitization. Then when the two are possible and it harmonizes, definitely possible individually, familially, socially, nationally, internationally. The three things are most important today to send this corona from the soil. And basically, what it means Shuddhi. Shuddhi means cleansing. Okay. And another thing, I put it in a simple manner, without going into traditional scientific terms of yoga, asana, all that. I'll make it simple, practical in our daily life. Number one, wake up yoga before attending the natural class. Number two, after attending natural class, make up yoga. Third one, Kriya yoga, what we call micro yoga or Sukshma yoga or therapeutic yoga. And fourth one, close-up yoga. Just to make people understand and vision this. Close-up yoga means I'll explain at the end of it. I repeat once again, wake up yoga, need not get up from the bed. Before attending the natural class, a simple sleeping patterns, lying patterns on the bed. Number two, after attending the natural class, make up yoga. Yoga walk, jogging, skipping, treadmill walk, and of course, Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom, and lots of things. Any outcome suitable to you. My humble request to all of you, you should have your own yoga menu. Your yoga menu must be suitable to you. As per your height-wise, weight-wise, age-wise, energy-wise, time-wise, reason-wise, season-wise, most important. The one who selects yoga menu may not be suitable to others. It differs specific. So that was the first condition. Second thing is, to do yoga, the best time is including Surya Pranayama, solar energy, vitamin D3, the most vital for life before 8 o'clock. And in the evening, after 4 o'clock. Otherwise, the radiation of the sun will affect the body. So before 8 o'clock or after 4 o'clock. If you are a diabetic or health issues, you can do it twice. Before 8 o'clock maximum and evening situation need based. Do this. Another thing is to do yoga, after 4 hours gap of a meal, you must go to yoga. And before 4 hours, you should never resort to yoga asanas or retreats. And my humble request to all of you, never try yoga, different experiments on your own and never invite troubles. Better approach yoga expert to learn yoga suitable to you. Yoga is union of mind and body individually. Yoga is the union of mind and body individually. Flora, fauna, the nature creature are Purusha Prakriti. or whatever you call it. So yoga is union, bond, integrity, unity within oneself. When I speak illusion, also there is comprehension. That's yoga inside me. Another thing must be kept in mind. If Patanjali were to born again, he may not do better than us. Patanjali days were different, nature was different, deeds were different, needs were different, and complete food and lifestyle was very different. So that's why we must adopt practical, modern, suitable yoga individually and collectively. And another thing, now straight away going to the certain sleeping patterns, which are most important. I am sure you may not get different books. It's my own experimented for 40 years, including treating patients in America, New York, different places. Different places. Okay, now, in view of time constraints, let me show certain postures on the sleeping patterns on the bed. Number one. First thing is, 7 domains must be kept in mind. 7 domains, please. Number one, lower part of the body, middle part of the body, upper part of the body, lateral right side, lateral left side, and dorsal side and ventral side. These 7 things must be kept in mind. I'll show one poster. One poster. This is Sapta Yoga. Sapta Yoga, 7 days, 7 methods, which are quite useful precisely. I confined to this poster certain asanas and mostly breathing techniques, energizing techniques. Yes. And first thing is better early morning 5 o'clock. Please maintain the rhythm. 8 hours rest and sleep. 8 hours work. 8 hours hobby. 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 hours. That is the rhythm of the body, rhythm of the day, of the body, biorhythm. Since body is bilaterally symmetrical, we need to adjust left and right equally. The evening 7 is heaven. First thing is around 5 o'clock on the bed itself without stepping down from the bed. Number one, just like this. You can use a small pillow or a hand also can do. Yes. First posture. First posture, straight line, left side. Left side in the sense, Chandra Nadi. Right is Surya Nadi. Right nostril works for the body, left nostril works for the mind. Mind and body must be aligned. Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi, balancing. So this is left side and lying. And body line, check your body line, legs and hands. Of course, you can fold your right hand like a small pillow. You can. On this, first one. And breathe for 2 minutes. 1 minute maybe 5 maximum breaths. So 2 minutes, 10 breaths. Second item, raise your leg and hand straight. Leg and hand straight. And take 2 minutes for 10 breaths. Breathe in maximum. It must be kept in mind that BCDS. B for breath, breathe. C for complete. D for deep. S for slow. Breathe, complete, deep, slow. Most important, breath. Breath, yoga is breath focus, yoga is spirit focus. So like this, 10 breaths can do. Maximum focus on abdominal breathing, like exhale. This is second one. And third one, I am concentrating only left side. Third one, yes. This is third one. Okay. Same again, 2 minutes, 10 breaths. Next one, folding legs together, same normal, deep, slow breathing, 10 breaths, 2 minutes. Okay. Next one, relaxation, The best for lumbar problems L1, L2, L3 and so on. Vertebral column works like a guitar. And this is for relaxation. This is relaxation. Complete relaxing the spinal cord. For upward and downward movement of the energy levels or blood circulation. Okay, again 2 minutes, 10 breaths. The leg will be touching here, right leg? Yes. And elbow touching the knee. Next item. Stretching right leg. When I am doing this now, putting the right and left diagonal here, the pancreas, the organs situated here get energized. Again, and turn your head left side straight. Left side straight. Okay. And another one, Matsya which may be difficult for the beginners, but please try. Matsya and keeping palm one above the other and head like this. This is what we call Matsya the most powerful, the complete body. I am binding, making a bandha. And again, 10 breaths, 2 minutes. So now, left side finished. And if you want to extend it, you can also do that. Since you haven't attended natural course, I'll show you one item. Same thing. Yes. Like one. Okay. Automatically, whatever gases causing the body will get eliminated once again. Okay. Same thing can be done right side. I am going to the right side. Right side again. Same posture. I may go a bit faster. Okay, again 2 minutes, 10 breaths. Again, raising the leg and hand maximum. 2 minutes, 10 breaths. And next item, yes. And again, folding the legs, maximum. Folding the legs, a sort of power muktasana, you may call it, but lying. Next item again, relaxation. Relaxation again, yes. This is relaxation, right side. So when you are lying on the right side, relaxation, you know, the liver, the largest liver gland gets energized. And longer breath, deeper breath, slow breath can help you better and better. But go slow, slow, slow. Next item again same, Matsya right side. This is Matsya right side. Right elbow should touch the right knee. And longer bends. Again same thing. Yes. And yes. Coming this side. Normal breaths initially. After attending the pause, you can also breathe out like Bhastrika. Like this. So these are right side, left side, lateral shower.